Organic tea blends from Biron Herbal Teas include delicate ingredients like chrysanthemum flowers, magnolia blossoms, licorice root, herbs, fruits, and spices. After using a co-packer for 5 years, the company brought blending in-house by purchasing a Munson Rotary batch mini mixer for its ability to produce uniform blends without product degradation or cross-contamination. Ingredients for each batch are added to the mixer's 3 cubic foot, 85-liter stainless steel drum, in which proprietary mixing flights gently tumble, turn, cut, and fold the tea blends, achieving uniform distribution in only 3 minutes with little or no breakage of the fragile ingredients. When needed, natural oils and liquid flavors are metered from a pressure pot through an internal stainless steel line and sprayed onto a moving bed of material for rapid distribution with no wet spots or clumping. The drum continues to rotate during discharge, causing the flights to direct the entire batch toward and through a plug gate valve, which prevents stratification associated with discharging of static batches, eliminates material waste, and reduces cleaning time. A large hinged door allows unobstructed access to all product contact surfaces for rapid sanitizing and visual inspection. Each blend is transferred to a bagging machine, yielding about 20,000 bags per batch. Thanks to its newfound mixing capabilities, Biron Teas has expanded into co-packing and mixing for other tea purveyors. Munson also offers larger rotary batch mixers with stationary inlets and outlets in capacities up to 600 cubic feet or 17 cubic meters, as well as 5 other types of mixing and blending machinery and 8 types of size reduction equipment. See them all at munsonmachinery.com.